Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Layout panel, which only appears at the right side of the print module when you have the single image contact sheet layout style currently selected within the layout style panel, lets you adjust margins, set the number of rows and columns on a contact sheet, and set cell spacing and cell sizes. To change the units of measurement for the layout panel, use the ruler units dropdown at the top of the panel. To adjust the size of margins around photos in the layout, use the left, right, top, and bottom sliders or type a value into the adjacent number fields and then press Enter on your keyboard. To set the number of photo rows and columns on the page, use the Rows and Columns sliders under the page grid settings. This lets you switch between a single image and a contact sheet layout. If you have multiple rows and/or columns in your layout, then you can use the vertical and/or horizontal sliders under the cell spacing setting to set the amount of vertical and/or horizontal space to apply between the photo cells in the contact sheet. To adjust the size of the photo cell or cells, use the height and width sliders under the cell size setting. Checking the adjacent Keep Square checkbox ensures the aspect ratio of the photo cells remains perfectly square as you adjust their sizes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.